What is a post type support? What's a support? Actually, really what it is, it's a feature. And then we're asking the question of, okay, what features does this post type support? And it's something that gets registered when you create your post type. Okay. So let's just take a look here. So here I'm in WordPress Core. And if you go into WP includes and the file is post.php, it's about line 20 here. There's a function called create initial post types. Here's the post. Here's the page. And this is where WordPress is creating these post types. Now, what I want you to notice is supports. See that right there? Okay, that one's for post. Here's the one for page. Okay, so as you look at these are features. Okay, well, what do these features represent? Well, title. Okay, well, let's go look at the title and then I'll show you what they're going to represent. So if I'm looking at this page right now, this is just a dummy page that I have, an about page. And I look at this and I go, okay, supports, title. Well, right here's the title. Editor. This is the editor. Author. Thumbnails. Okay. Each one of those are features that you see here, right? It's a way of being able to add more content, make your content more rich for your user. Here's that featured image. There's custom post types, there's revisions, there's excerpts, there's all of these different features. Okay, so if I were to go and look at all these features, I can see them right here. Title, editor, author, thumbnail, excerpts, trackbacks, custom fields, comments, revisions, page attributes, and post formats. These are the ones out of the box from WordPress. Now you can extend these. You can add more to them. If you're using Genesis, well, they add some to it. There's some layouts and some SEO and some different ones that get added to it. And if you're using your own, you can build your own in here and then be able to go and say, okay, each of these post types will support these different features. And then you turn on what features that you want. So at the time that you create the post, the page, whatever, this post type, you're setting up that support. Well, WordPress gives you the ability to add new ones. Okay, so for example, we're going to do this in the next video to where you say, all right, well, this was created by, I don't know, Woo or some other plugin or even WordPress Core. But I want to be able to turn on this particular feature. Maybe I want excerpts, or maybe they don't have the thumbnail enabled, right? Maybe I want to turn these particular things on so I can add that particular post type support. I can add that feature. I can also remove particular features. I can do that after. Listen to that word, after. So first it has to be registered. This post type has to be registered and created so that WordPress even knows about it. All right. And you configure up the features that you want when you create it. And then after the fact, you can add and you can remove. These are the things that we're going to do in the next 2 episodes together.